Hi, this is Ram.
And this is Abhiraj.
Today we will be discussing about the unmanned ground vehicles and the usage in e-commerce.
So let's begin with what are UGVs. As the name suggests, unmanned ground vehicles. These are the ground vehicles operated by computers and no man behind the wheels.
These vehicles are used in military purposes, agriculture, surveillance, extraterrestrial exploration and lot more. And today we are going to discuss UGVs in shipping. Now let's talk about working principles of UGV. The main components are central processing unit, which acts like the brain of the UGV, then the frame, which holds all the parts together. To collect all kinds of data and recognize its surroundings, different kinds of sensors are used like cameras, inertial measurement unit, LiDAR, infrared and GPS sensors. To run the UGV, generally brushless motors are used, and finally to power all these components, lithium ion batteries are used. Based on the application of UGV, number of sensors can be increased or decreased.
Okay, so we saw the different materials that were used. Now let's see how much this small thing can actually cost us. UGV can cost anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000. Starship robot that delivers food can cost up to $5,500. DoorDash uses this product as well. Amazon also uses this product. It's not for sale, it's only been authorized to use by Amazon, currently in testing period in California and Georgia. There are other companies that's also trying this product. Few of them are FedEx, Udlive, KiwiBoat, Neuro, and Aliport.
Now we know the mechanism and prices of the UGV. Let's see how they impact our society and how they are changing our day-to-day lives. There are a lot of social outcomes using these kind of UGVs, namely fully electric, so zero emission. As there is a shortage of delivery drivers, this can take the places to deliver the food and groceries. It is useful for disabled and old age people as they need to put lot of efforts to go to stores. This can avoid stealing and notifies users when the product is arrived. Using such vehicles can decrease the shipping cost. These vehicles are fully autonomous and are secured on roads as they are operated in low speeds. Overall, traffic issues are not applicable to these vehicles as they are operated on footpaths. They are built to better everyday life for everyone.
With change in time, this unmanned ground vehicle will also improve. Instead of small vehicle that can operate on side roads, we'll have a better and advanced vehicle that you can see in the video that will consume less time and can also store more things. Artificial intelligence will be used to its max, so that way we will be able to increase the travel time and the distance that has been required by these UGVs to travel. Technologies always have their own disadvantages. Talking about UGVs, first of all, the range is very less, so like it cannot even travel more than 50 miles without being operated by the owner. Second of all, cost is super higher. And third, it's not available to general public. For example, look at this stupid robot just crossing the crime scene in California. I mean, how stupid they can be, you know? The other disadvantages of this compact UGVs is that they are very small. It's very hard to see them. For example, if you're backing up your car and if the UGV is trying to cross your road to do the deliveries, it's very hard to see them. You might probably hit them. The other disadvantages is that they are so small that anyone can just grab them and run and they won't be able to find them. These are the biggest disadvantages of compact UGVs.
We know there are a lot of disadvantages, but that is not going to stop these technologies, as technologies can evolve and change. There are a lot of improvements need to be done to make the UGVs technology perfect or at least interact with all kinds of circumstances. UGVs are autonomous, but these autonomous technologies used in UGVs are not as advanced as self-driving cars, so these need to be changed. The central processing unit used in UGVs are not that advanced to compute and take decisions on its own, so that needs to be improved. The battery life is less and that need to be improved. The price of the UGVs are really high. To make it applicable to all kind of businesses, that need to be improved. Overall, there are a lot of improvements that need to be done to see UGVs in day-to-day life.